Most people who start a business haven't necessarily been trained in leadership and management skills. So one of the key benefits of using this tool is that it has a whole leadership and people management master document in the background. So you don't have to be the best manager or leadership guru in the world. You just need to use the right kind of prompts with specific situations that you might find yourself in. In this example, I'm just giving you maybe a classic kind of scenario that you may have with a member of staff. I've created this hypothetical situation with a labourer who's not taking instruction, too much time on the phone, and sometimes late to work. So they've had a previous conversation, an informal chat, but we want to know how to approach this situation professionally and in accordance with employment law. As you can see, this is a prompt that I've put in, and let's see what it tells us we need to do. So here we go for that conversation. Gives you how to open the conversation. As you can see, gives you exactly what you need to say. This is like a script. As you can see, just very straightforward. You just need to learn the script. I don't think it would be a good thing for you to sit there reading it word for word, but if you get the gist of the framework and the structure and the kind of points that you need to get across, it's just going to give you a much better chance of coming to a positive outcome. And we know how hard it is to recruit people. If we can manage people and show them the right way in a professional manner, then it's going to help you to retain a lot of your team members where maybe these situations might get blown out of all proportion. There we go. Nice and simple, nice little use of the AI assistant.